I actually saw it at a meeting down in Forsyth at a GMAG meeting, and Tom Flame was there and trying to get me to drink water from a toilet. And I actually was one of the people that actually drank it, and it pretty much sold me on the fact that it worked.
It's the water filtration system that works off the truck. It takes basically like hydrant water or tank water off the truck and filters it to drinking capacity water. Actually better than drinking water. It's actually cleaner than the tap water that comes out. Matter of fact, when we used it, everybody said it tasted better than their drinking water that came out of their tap. Turn the timer on, which will go off by itself so it doesn't run the batteries down the truck if you had to. Turn the switch on, and then the water comes right out of here. And this is plumbed right into the plumbing of it so that it supplies right out of the tank of the truck. It couldn't be any easier. Even a fireman can do it. I didn't know that we would use this very often. I thought it was something that, us not being in a storm-ravaged area on the coast or something, it would be that useful for us. But we recently had a chance to use it on an apartment complex here on the 4th of July. Everybody was home wanting to have a cookout and everything, and the water went out down there. They had no water at all. We went down there with this truck, set up right in the center of the complex, and then let it be known through the complex that we had drinking water. It really makes good water. Everybody bragged about it that used it that day. Said, man, you really got good water with this thing.
When you start looking at buying separate equipment that you have to maintain and you have to provide the capital for up front, if you can take one piece of equipment and set it up where there's multi-uses, which is what we've done in this situation, it saves the taxpayers a lot of money and it makes it easier on the fire department to maintain that equipment. So now basically, if you look at it this way, I spent a couple $1,000s on a device, put it on a fire truck, and made it not only a fire truck but a potable water tank with a motor in it. The price of it was below most of the purchasing guidelines, but I still went and talked to some of the higher up folks in the city to see what they thought about it, and I didn't have any problem at all. I mean, justifying the cost of it, and I can guarantee you I won't have any problem at all justifying the cost now after what happened in Smyrna on July 4th. Now that we've had an opportunity to use this unit, I would recommend that every fire chief in the country consider making this an integral part of their fire apparatus.